What's up, everybody? It's AJ with etrailer.com. Today we're going to be checking out this BulletProof Hitch Mounted Shackle. So this is going to go in your 2.5-inch hitch and allow you to hook up a strap to tow somebody out of trouble. Let's check it out. Something you want to make sure you do is check our fit guide. Make sure you do have the 2.5-inch hitch for this version. There's also a 2-inch version, so if that's what you're looking for with your hitch, that's available too. So how it's going to work is we unthread the pin on the side, which is going to release the shackle from the mount. This doesn't have to be super tight or anything. You should be able to do it by hand. Remove that pin and the shackle, and we'll take our strap. Now, with the strap in place, we can put the shackle back. You look, one side of it is threaded, so you want to put the pin towards that side. So since it's on this side, just slide it back through and start hand tightening it. It's only going to take a couple turns to get it attached. Now, if you go to where you can't tighten anymore, I would back it off just a half turn, just so it's going to be easier to remove this when you need to. With it set up like this is where you go hook it up to the other vehicle to pull it out of the mud. Or if you're stuck in the mud, they're going to be pulling you out. So it'll just pull on the safety strap, pull on the shackle, and pull you out of the mud. Now, you have a few different choices with configuration. If you got an aftermarket bumper and you need to extend it, you can. There's two different holes in the shank. I'll show you as I pull it out there to choose from here on the side. You can go to, so this would be the one in the first position, sticks out quite a bit, and if you need to go on a little bit more, you can with that position. Now you can also flip it on the side and pin it the same way. You have those same two options, so if you were to put your pin in this way, you can use the shackle when you hook up to the safety strap this way. So maybe you can't get where you need to in the mud to pull the other person out, you want to pull from an angle, this might help you with that. The size of the shackle is going to be 1.25 inches. Now everything has a black powder coat on there. It's steel, but that coating is going to help it not rust or corrode down the line. The weight rating on these shackles is going to be 30,000 pounds, so just keep that in mind with what you want to hook up. What's nice about this setup is it actually comes with the hitch pin and clip. Not every one of the hitch mounted shackles do, so I like that that's included. Something I would recommend though is if you're going to invest in this heavy duty shackle, maybe look into a locking hitch pin so that if you plan on leaving it on the back of your truck all the time, you can lock it up so nobody can mess with it when you're not around. Overall, things would be really useful to have. The BulletProof Hitch version is very durable. It's sturdy. I like that it's heavy, so I know that if I put it in my hitch and try and use it to pull somebody else out with just as big a truck, it's not going to be a problem. This is going to hold up, and I'll get them unstuck. Well, I think that does it. Thanks for hanging out, and hope this helped.